We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will quickly answer the question that is, what is Dolby Atmos Apple Music? So, in front of a certain songs and albums, or pretty much everywhere to be exact, on an Apple Music you can find this Dolby Atmos icon, or Dolby Atmos badge rather, and if you are curious on what does it mean, pretty much the Dolby Atmos is the very great audio feature that creates an immersive three-dimensional audio experience on stereo headphones and speakers, or any audio receivers for that matter, that are compatible with it. So, to put it simply, Dolby Atmos is a very cool and helping sound enhancement tool, which provides you with juicier and just overall better sound quality. If, well, your playback device that you're listening your music on, should it be headphone speakers, built-in speakers or Bluetooth speakers, are Dolby Atmos compatible. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.